Buongiorno, amici. Welcome to my kitchen, where today we craft a true Italian classic, pizza margherita. Simple ingredients, but when done right, it's perfection. Let's begin. Great pizza starts with great dough. Mix yeast with water and let it dissolve. In a bowl, combine flour and salt. Slowly add the yeast mixture while mixing. Knead for 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Cover with a damp towel, let it rise for 8 to 24 hours in the fridge. No need to cook. Simplicity is key. Blend San Marzano tomatoes with a pinch of salt. That's it. Flour your surface, press the dough outward from the center. Lift and rotate to stretch. Don't use a rolling pin. Spread a thin layer of sauce, not too much. Add torn mozzarella pieces evenly. Bake at 250 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes in a home oven. Bellissimo! The aroma, the simplicity, the taste. This is real margherita pizza. If you love this recipe, hit like and subscribe for more gourmet secrets. Buon appetito!